Ready to get your Lenovo AT&T phone firing on all cylinders with a new SIM card. First, locate the SIM tray on your Lenovo phone. It's usually found on the side of the device, often a small pinhole next to a subtle tray outline. Now, take your SIM ejector tool or a straightened paperclip and carefully insert it into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply gentle, firm pressure. You'll feel a slight click, and the SIM tray will begin to slide out. Don't force it. Just a gentle push is all that's needed. Once the tray is partially out, you can slide it completely free. Notice the shape of the tray and the corresponding cutout for the SIM card. Now, let's prepare the SIM card. You'll typically be using a nano SIM card. Look for the angled corner on the SIM card. Carefully place your nano SIM card into the tray, making sure the angled corner aligns perfectly with the tray's design. It should sit flush and snug. Ensure the SIM card is correctly oriented and sits flat within the tray, no wobbling or misalignment. With the SIM card securely in place, gently slide the SIM tray back into the phone slot. Push it in until it's flush with the phone's body. Your phone should now recognize the SIM card and begin to connect to the AT&T network. You'll likely see the AT&T signal bars appear at the top of your screen. And there you have it. Your Lenovo AT&T phone is now successfully connected to the network, ready for calls, texts, and data. Enjoy.